Guys, welcome back to the channel. This one is actually called the Behawk Pocket EDC D2 Steel G10 Handle. It's a sheepfoot design, and you can pick this one up on Amazon for about 40 bucks. Now, this was actually a surprise to me because for the size of the box, wait till you see what's inside the box. All right, and open it up. Bam. Right? That's about it. Check this thing out. G10 handle, D2 steel. It's very well made. Let's see this pocket clip. Okay, it's a nice sturdy pocket clip. It's got a little bit of weight to it too. Let's see how the blade deploys. Oh, nice. That sheepfoot design I was talking about. Similar design comes on the MSI. Look at that. Behawk. It's got a, they call the blood drain. Nice blood drain. D2. Look at the size of this thing. Yeah, it's a long knife. But man, you get a full grip on this thing. Look at that. I like that right there. Get your fingers right up in there. Let's see how sharp this thing is. Oh, wow. Oh, this thing is ridiculously sharp. Very nice. What are your thoughts on this one?